In this video, we will see the different types of matrices. The first one that we will see is a row matrix. Like the name states, it's a matrix that has only one row. Let's look at this matrix which is given here in this example. And I can write it down here. Matrix A is a matrix with one row and 4 columns, and its components are 1, 0, minus 1.1 and root 2. So this is a matrix that has only one row. So when we describe our order m by n, the m will be equal to 1. So for a matrix which is a row matrix, the order would be always 1 times n. Next, let's see what is a column matrix. Again, as the name states, a column matrix is a matrix that will have only one column. So here we have in this matrix that you have just one column. So it's a matrix with just one column. Now, this matrix will be written in the form, as you can see here, A is equal to A I 1 m times 1, because it has only one column. Next, let's look at zero matrix. Zero matrix, as the name states, is a matrix which has all its elements as 0. It is also called a null matrix. Square matrix is a matrix that has equal number of rows and columns. So in the order m by n, our m will be equal to n. Main diagonal of a square matrix will be the elements which are A11, A22, A33, A44, and so on. So in short, you can say Aij is elements of the main diagonal if I is equal to j. Diagonal matrix is a matrix that has values only in its main diagonal, which is A11, A22, A33, etc. would have values, and Aij will be equal to 0 whenever our I is not equal to j. So you can see here in this in matrix A, B, and C, and D that they are all diagonal matrix because all the other elements are 0. Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix whose elements on the main diagonal have values and all the other elements in the matrix are 0 value. But all our elements in the main diagonal will be equal, which means our A11 will be equal to A22, will be equal to A33, and so on. Unit matrix is a scalar matrix and it's also a diagonal matrix, but it is a matrix. All its main diagonal elements will be equal to 1. So I can write A11 is equal to A22, so on, and they are equal to 1. In other words, we can say that Aij is equal to 1 when I is equal to j, and Aij is equal to 0 when, can you tell me when? I is not equal to j. Upper triangle matrix. Upper triangular matrix is a matrix where its upper triangle has values and the lower triangles are all 0. So how can we express this? So we can say that A, I, j is equal to 0 if I is greater than j. Next, let's see lower triangular matrix. Again, as the name states, all the elements in the lower triangle of this matrix will have values which are non-zero or will have values, whereas the ones which are in the upper triangle will all be 0. So we can write that A, I, j will be equal to 0 if I is less than j. Triangular matrix. A triangular matrix is a matrix which is either upper triangular or lower triangular. That brings us to a short narration of all the different types of matrices. Thank you for watching Math Tutorial Anand. Please like and you can comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.